So here we have log of a plus b over 3 equals to half times log of a plus log of b. Using this fact, we have to find out the value of a squared plus b squared divided by ab. So let's begin. We can rewrite our given logarithmic equation as we'll multiply both sides with 2. So we have 2 times log of a plus b over 3. So that's equals to log of a plus log of b. Now we can combine log of a plus log of b using a property of logarithm. That's log of a plus log of b. So that's equals to log of a times b. So this means we have log of ab on the right hand side. And we can also use the property of logarithm to raise this 2 as the power of a plus b over 3. That means we have a times log of b, so that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. That means we will get log of a plus b divided by 3 whole square. Now, when the base is not provided, so it's by default 10. Now, since we have two logarithms on both sides that are equal with a base of 10, we can equate them to get a plus b over 3 whole squared equals to ab. That means in the numerator we have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab divided by 9. So that's equals to ab. Cross multiplying with 9 with ab, we'll get a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So that's equals to 9 times ab. We'll transpose 2ab to the right hand side. So we have a squared plus b squared equals to 9ab minus 2ab, which gives us a squared plus b squared equals to 7ab. Now we'll divide both sides with ab. So that will give us a squared plus b squared divided by ab. That will be equals to 7. So this is the required value of a squared plus b squared over ab.